Hello, long time no see. I was not vlogging since a very long time. I was in India for the vacation, and yeah, I had a lot of fun. I met everyone except some people. Um, and if you can see my condition right now, I was not supposed to vlog today as well because I was flying back to Edinburgh. But nothing can go straight in my life. That is why I am stuck at the Istanbul airport for 24 hours because my flight got delayed, the first flight, and that's why the connecting flight got missed. And yes, here we are. Let's see what we do in these 20 hours. I will sleep for most of it, but let's see. So, what do we do next? I think we go to a lounge and sleep. That is the best thing. This seems like a great option. Why am I giving myself a treat? Because I am going back from a vacation. I might stay in. Oh my god, there is a hairdresser as well. Beauty center. And themes meaning maybe I can get a massage. I can also take a shower and then I can sleep peacefully. Wow. There's a dental clinic as well. I can get my teeth checked. Okay, so the hotel was too expensive, 400 euros for a night. I am not giving that if they have delayed my flight. But I can go to this recharge cabin place. Let's see. It is nice. These are the recharge rooms. So nice, so comfy. What do I need to do? Oh my god. Okay. See? So nice. Feels so good. Now we will explore. It is our home now. Istanbul Airport. Okay. It has been a long time again because I slept very nicely. I did not know that you could get an e-visa in just 10 minutes. I could have gone out in the city way earlier, but right now it is 11 p.m. I am going out. They're gonna give me a free hotel or something, and then maybe I'm gonna roam around a bit. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this. I am having such a nostalgia by being here. Oh my, I was here I think 3 years ago, and I used to live in this same street, and oh my god, I feel happy now. It's okay, fine, Indigo. No, I don't forgive you, but still, thanks. Oh my god, this is the Istiklal Street. I think I was meant to come here to just put it in the vlog because I did not vlog back then. So right now I am going to meet a friend from back when macarons. That is what Mona used to say. Okay, I don't know. I am just so happy. Very, very nostalgic this. Okay, so my friend is here. Say hi. Oh my god, that's the Galata Tower. Wow. The Christmas decorations in Istanbul. Oh, that's the metro station, right? So this is the Turkish tea, and this is Iran. Oh my god, I love this thing so much. I missed it so much. It's like what? What is it made from? Milk, yeah.
Yeah, yogurt and with water.
Yogurt and
With water.
okay. And this is
Yeah.
pita. Yes, I love this. It's like pizza, but I don't know, Middle Eastern maybe.
Ayla.
Okay, so I think I made the most of my time, which I could. Also, he has an exam tomorrow, so he has to go, and then I am also going back to the airport, and then I will do more things at the airport. Maybe I will play PS5 for sure. I will get a massage too, hopefully, and I will sleep, and I will eat, and I will wait for my flight. It's 4 a.m. and we are at the airport again. So this is what we are doing now. It is too. After the very very relaxing massage, मेरी एक तो आवाज़ भी ऐसे ही हो गई है. But we are at one of my favorite Turkish cafes. We're gonna eat something, not very heavy breakfast, but a little breakfast, because first of all we are in a lot of pain, but hopefully this will fix us. This is a Turkish breakfast. Of course it is. Don't tell me it's not. Fine. Nothing else. And I am so done. So done. So now at 7 a.m. I have two options. Either it's this, which has like PS5, foosball, internet, music and entertainment, basically the youth lounge. And then next we have this. Which one am I gonna choose? Yes, I am old and I'm sleeping, and I'm happy with that. Bye vlog. Hi. Good morning. My brain is not functioning anymore, and I'm having pizza for breakfast and orange juice. Healthy, I feel. After a lot of hours, 24, a whole day, finally going to the boarding gate. Here I come, Edinburgh. I have not missed Edinburgh as much as I have missed it today. And this is how I was welcomed into Edinburgh. Oh my god.